Hey everybody, it's your friendly saucier Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to do green caper sauce. This is a medium cream sauce that's good with fish, chicken, pork, steaks, vegetables, pastas. It can be pretty much used almost with anything. It's really delicious. Okay, so let's get into it. The ingredients include capers, thyme, brandy, flour, shallots, garlic, butter, chicken stock, cream, and Dijon mustard. Okay, so let's start off with our butter. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. You don't want to burn this, so just slowly melt it. Alright, so now we're going to add 1 small finely chopped shallot and 1½ cloves of garlic finely chopped as well. You're going to go ahead and incorporate this in. Cook it slowly over medium heat. You want to soften the shallots as well as not burn the garlic. Okay, so now that the shallots and garlic are cooked, now the fun begins. Go ahead, turn off the heat, take your saucepan to the side, make sure that it's away from anything and everything, nothing above or around. Add 1 tablespoon of brandy and light. Go ahead and flambe this, let it burn down. Once the flame is out, go ahead, give it a few shakes, bring it back over to the burner, turn back on the heat, add 1½ tablespoons of flour. Go ahead and whisk this together, incorporate it nicely, get all that flour mixed in with the shallots and garlic. If your roux mixture is a little bit dry, go ahead and add 1/4 tablespoon of butter, incorporate this in, cook this for roughly about a minute, let it cook nicely to get that flour taste out. Now we're going to add our little French delight, some Dijon mustard, 1/2 tablespoon. Now we'll add 1/2 tablespoon of thyme, mix it together. Go ahead and add 1 cup of cold cream, and then 1/2 cup of cold chicken stock. Alright, so now grab a spoon, mix it all together, make sure it's incorporated in, get all of that roux mixture off of the bottom of the pan. Now grab the whisk and bring it all together. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarsely chopped capers and a pinch of salt to taste. So now we're almost done. Just keep on mixing it, stirring it. You can turn up the heat a little bit. You're going to want to bring this to a boil. Okay, so now it's starting to get a little bit thicker. Now we're starting to see it boil just a little bit. Keep on stirring it. Okay, so you can turn off the heat. I think we're at our medium thickness. And there we go, green caper sauce. Please check the description below for the recipe. Leave your comments below, let me know what you'd like for me to make in the future. And as always, please subscribe to help the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.